Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into the impressive features of the BOBLOV KJ23Pro 2K body camera, a powerhouse device designed for law enforcement, security, and outdoor work with its stunning 2K video and 38 megapixels photo clarity, ensuring every detail is captured with precision. Equipped with a robust 4000 mAh battery, this body camera supports up to 15 hours of continuous recording at 1080p, making it perfect for long shifts and ensuring you never miss a critical moment. Its night vision capability, featuring 5 IR lights, excels in low light conditions, providing clear visibility and recording quality even in complete darkness, ideal for night patrols and surveillance. The BOBLOV KJ23Pro also includes loop recording, which defaults to 10-minute video segments and automatically overwrites the oldest recordings when the memory card is full, ensuring that the latest important videos are always captured. With 128 GB of built-in memory, this body camera offers ample storage for high-definition video and audio files, eliminating the need for frequent memory card changes. The upgraded USB-C interface allows for faster and more reliable data transfer, ensuring your files are backed up quickly and efficiently. Finally, the comprehensive kit includes a variety of accessories, such as long and short 360-degree clips, a car charger, a car bracket, and more, ensuring versatile usage from vehicle mounting to personal wear in various scenarios.